C with Dina B. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this very, very extra look, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is use our Pond's moisturizer to moisturize and prep our skin for our foundation. Once we're moisturized, we're going to mix the Huda Beauty and the Born This Way foundations to get our perfect shade. And then after we mix those, going in with our foundation brush, and this is the NYX number 3 brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that in really nicely. Alright, so once we have that blended in, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next part, which is our eyebrows. I'm using the Wonderbrow. I got this off of Amazon. It's in the color black. And I'm going to go ahead and speed through this because you guys don't want to see me struggling with my eyebrows. But yeah, this is a pretty cool product. I really like it. But make sure you do a skin test to make sure you're not allergic. The next product I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Concealer. And I'm just going to basically just go over my brows and clean up any part that looks any kind of, messy or anything like that. So that's what you see here. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use my Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. And I will be using this to highlight. I like a little bit of a brighter highlight, so that's why I chose this shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it in really well with my concealer brush. So that's what you see here. Moving on to my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the color Banana. And then I'm going to go ahead and bake my face and basically soak up any kind of extra moisture that might be around my cheeks or whatever, just to set in my concealer really nicely. Then I'm going to use this pressed powder in the color Ebony from Black Radiance, and I'm going to go ahead and contour those cheekbones. Do y'all see I'm getting a little skinnier? I don't got to contour as much. Don't you love summer? Both sides now, don't forget. I'm also using my Queen bronzer, coming up in the next clip, in the color Ebony. Who is going to get those Fenty bronzers? I am! I can't wait. So after I bronze a little, just, hit my cheeks, my forehead, wherever the sun hits me that I want a little bit of glow. And then after that, I'm going to go in, I think, with my highlighter. Now, this is a $2 highlighter I got from the beauty supply store. Girl, I love it. It is amazing. And it's like a pinkish rose goldy kind of color. I didn't go straight yellow, but I like it. It makes me feel really pretty. So, that's that. And next up, we're going to add mascara. And this is my favorite mascara. It is the Hourglass Mascara. And we're going to put it on both our lashes, but you're only going to see one because you don't need to see me put on, mascara. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm just using a regular brown liner. Disregard my background just moving around. I apologize. The AC was on. And then once I did my lip liner, I just added this little iridescent, lip gloss just to kind of, keep my lips from looking too chalky. And then I went ahead and added liner with the Kat Von D liner. It's I wouldn't spend my money on it. This is a sample. But you see me, struggling with my liner as usual. But at least I caught it on camera this time. But yeah, my liner didn't turn out too bad, did it? Check me out. All right, and the reason we all are here, check out these lashes I got from Amazon, girl. These lashes are popping. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make it look like I effortlessly applied these lashes. I'm not gonna tell you how I had to edit out 17 minutes worth of me struggling to put these long ass lashes on, but you know, you ain't heard that from me. I thought I was cute once I got that first lash on, girl. And now, look at me. I ain't know what to do with myself. So I'm feeling myself. I feel like I'm cute and all, you know what I'm saying? But girl, let me change my outfit. Ooh-wee. Y'all see that? The magic of editing. And that's how I got this look. I hope you really liked it. The lashes, I can say I did get from Amazon for $8. And they are popping, okay? Everything else you've seen on my channel before. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Stay tuned for a little blooper at the end of the video.